Today we're going to continue with some of what we started at our last lesson. First of all, we're going to do a little bit of a review. So we remember our posture. We sit forward on our chair, our feet are on the floor, and we are balanced so that it's easy for us to stand up. Our back is straight but flexible, and our cello comes in. Well, we make sure it's the right height, and the cello comes in, rests above our heart, pegged by the ear, knees wrap around the bottom. Hands are free to do what hands need to do. And you've tuned your cello, you know how to tune your cello now. And you know, as I mentioned before, I'll mention again here, if you have problems with the tuning or with anything that you'd like extra help, you can send me an email, and it's celloforbeginners@gmail.com, and just be sure to put a note in the subject line. Alright, so at our last lesson we talked about hand positions. For our pizzicato, our thumb rests over here and we just reach over and pluck the string that we need. This hand, it's a circle, then it's a C, then it's a claw. It comes over here, thumb halfway between the two curves. Hand comes down with second finger opposite the thumb, and the palm of the hand points downward rather than over toward our neck here. We want the palm of our hand to kind of point downward. Makes it easier to spread the fingers apart. So what we did yesterday is we had all four fingers down, strongly pull the fingers in toward the fingerboard, and we're just going to do what we did yesterday, starting with all four fingers down and pluck 4 times on each one of these notes. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift the fourth finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift the second and third fingers together and just play the first finger, and then the open D string. Alright, now we're going to do something similar but just a little bit different. So I want you to listen, and what we're going to do is we're going to just do 2 pizzas on each note until we get to the open D, and then we're just going to do 1. So we'll be like this, and I'm going to say the names of the finger. So we're going to go, this is the fourth finger, third finger, second finger, first finger. So 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, open, and hold it longer, and then do it again. 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, and hold the open D longer. Alright, let's just try that together. So 4 fingers on the cello, on the D string, nice and firm feel, pulling the cello and the fingers in toward the fingerboard. Our pitzing position here, our thumb is resting on the side of the fingerboard, and together 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, open D again. 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, open D. Alright, so we're going to talk about one more thing, and that's that all of these notes that we're playing, they each have a name. And when we play these notes in the order that they come, their name is in the same order as the notes in the alphabet. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then at that point we go back to A. Now we also have what's called sharps and flats in there. So I'm going to say the names of some of the notes that we're going to be learning in the song that we're going to play very soon. We're going to start with the D, and I know that's not where the alphabet starts, but we can start anywhere when we're doing the music. So it's still, what comes after D is E, what comes after E is F, but in this case we're going to call it F sharp. What comes after F in the alphabet is G. Then our musical alphabet starts over with A, and what comes after A is B, what comes after B is C, but we're going to call it C sharp. And we'll talk more about that later on. This is not as important right now as just beginning to get an idea of how this works. So I'm going to play this. You can listen or you can play along. So we're going to start with our open D. I'm going to pluck just 2 times on each of these notes and see if you hear that alphabet in there. D, D, E, E, F sharp, G, G, A, B, B, C sharp, D, D. Now we can go back down. That's the alphabet backwards. D, D, C sharp, B, B, A, and then put all 4 fingers onto the D string. G, G, F sharp, E, E, D. Alright, that's called a scale. Now if you don't feel like you're ready to do that scale yet, that's fine. Don't worry about it. We will bring it up again later on. That's just to kind of introduce it to you so that you'll be a little more familiar with it the next time it comes up. And what I just did there is also to help you with the song that we're going to learn at our next lesson. So remember to play this part right here though. 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1. Open D on your D string several times before our next lesson. And I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.